Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for breadfruit chips. Now to make this, it's very simple and only a few ingredients you'll need. You'll need to peel the breadfruit and cut it up into strips. So once cut into strips, we're going to season it with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning or any all-purpose seasoning of your choice. So I'm going to go in with some green seasoning, the recipe which can be found on my channel. Next, I'm going in with some chili infused coconut oil. It's gonna give these chips just that little kick of flavor. Next, mix to combine. And once mixed properly, we're gonna fry this on a medium-low heat. We want these chips to take its time and fry and get nice and crispy. So place the chips into the oil and allow it to fry until it has a light brown color or to the consistency you would like. Now the thinner you cut the chips, the crispier they're going to be. Once they're finished frying, take them out and drain them on some paper towels. And then the chips is ready to be served. So thank you all so much for watching. If you make this, please let me know if you like it. Remember to like and share the video. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!